Whoa. That's pretty cool.
It's a dinosaur.
Do you like this? It's a dinosaur. It's like a... There, is that better?
Okay, wait.
You can't see me. You can't see you? What else?
Hey, Mom.
Yeah. She's ready to do it. No.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yes, go ahead. Tell me what else you did today. What else? Did you go anywhere? Where did you go?
To the store.
The store? Oh, because you had to get more Jell-O.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get anything for me?
Yes.
What?